Myself, Mrs. Supriya Kurlekar, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Department at Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. Welcome all of you, those who have shown interest and willingness to join engineering degree program in upcoming days. So, our institute, I welcome all of you once again in this session. Through this session, I would like to introduce some of the facilities, some policies, and some methods or say the techniques which we are adopting in the conduction at the time of conduction of engineering academics at Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. These are our promoters, late Shri Shamraji Patil Yadravkar, founder chairman, Honorable Dr. Rajendra Patil Yadravkar, chairman, Shri Shamrao Patil Educational and Charitable Trust, and Honorable Shri Anil Bagne sir, executive director, Shri Shamrao Patil Educational and Charitable Trust. With the support, guidance, and continuous motivation, we have been recognized as one of the best emerging engineering institute. We established in year 2009 with Shivaji University affiliation, and afterwards in 2017-18 onwards we have been affiliated to Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. We have been accredited by NBA and NAC A grade. We have also been recognized by ISO. We have total 7 UG programs with 660 intake at first year level with 4 years duration. We have 120 intake for mechanical, civil, computer science and electronics and telecommunication engineering. For 4 UG programs we have 120 intake and 60 intake for electrical engineering, and along with this 60 intake for mechatronics and 60 intake for artificial intelligence and data science. From this year we have started these 2 new branches. We have experienced and qualified teaching faculty with more than 20 PhD holders. We have 12 innovation labs. In the due course, I will mention about them. As a part of this session at SIT COE, how we are committed to quality and how we are putting all our efforts and the emphasis is on strong academics. I would like to share some of the things. Before we start, this is our vision, ultimately to be a center of excellence in technical education by using cutting edge technology that produces competent engineers of today and tomorrow to serve the society. To fulfill and to progress towards this, we have our first mission as to impart quality education, second mission as to facilitate a conducive ambience and infrastructure, and the third mission to inculcate sensitivity towards society, respect for environment and promote high standards of ethics. In our vision, we mentioned about cutting edge technology. So in this context at our institute, we are also providing the platform where students can undergo honors as well as minor degree program. Since we have been affiliated to Technological University, Batu, all together we have a very rich basket of n number of electives, and through this honors and minor degree program there is a facility to learn multidisciplinary courses to all the students. They may belong to a particular specific branch and they would like to learn the emerging trends from some other branch of engineering. Then they are going to get opportunity due to this minor degree. So they may be having honors degree and minor degree along with these emerging trends like robotics, artificial intelligence or machine learning, or maybe artificial intelligence along with data science and many more. So this opportunity is provided, and with these cross courses with the main course, student can learn the most recent trends in the field of technology and engineering. Our quality policy is we are committed to provide best quality in planning, design and effective implementation. Continuously all our efforts are carried out. We are doing all the activities by keeping in mind, and our entire focus is on quality. At institute level, we have been recognized by NAC. As already I mentioned, we have been selected for development of green campus by MNRE. We have ISO recognition. We have been awarded as Icon of Education Maharashtra. We have been awarded as Best IST Chapter Award as IST Emerging Institute Award. We have been empaneled as energy auditing firm for Maharashtra Energy Development Agency. So these are some of the great achievements as far as institute is considered in the form of recognition. Now I would like to start my presentation with the basic question that why one should go for engineering. So here is one quote. Albert Einstein, the great scientist, said, "Scientists investigate that which already is, and engineers create that which has never been." So engineering is basically applied science, science to describe, like for example, electromagnetic radiation, but it is engineering which has turned that philosophy or that theory into a product or application, and that is a kind of a radio or a TV. So electromagnetic theory translated, converted into a application as a practical product, TV or a radio or a mobile phone, and so many. So this is what many of so-called wonders of modern science are really wonders of modern engineering. So as per the say this famous quote by a great scientist, definitely these are some of the examples I stated just as an illustration purpose, like main kind of a product or the applications or whatever advancements and developments that are taking place to protect the world's natural resources and enable them to be used more efficiently. This is one thing which is always kept in mind by all engineers and engineering developments. Invent new types of diagnostic medical scanners. For example, I have stated example is say faster, safer, quieter, more fuel efficient aircraft or maybe automobiles and vehicles, maybe a development in the field of communication in the form of mobile phones, smartphones, smart technologies, smart sensor based systems, embedded systems. So maybe in the field of biomedical engineering, something like artificial limbs are there, so many prosthetics, and with the help of nano technology and these wearable sensors, n number of appliances and say prototype models and structures at present are made available due to these technological advancements. So there are very say maybe n number of unlimited say reasons one can state why should one should go for engineering. Some of very basic reasons I have stated here. Why engineering? Because studying engineering is going to give you a prestige and proud, that brings prestige. Basically it sets you up for professional success. It is going to uphold altogether your status in the society. You will be ready for any problem, because as a part of academics, engineering students are going to undergo various subjects courses where numericals are there, where numerical ability, logical thinking, critical thinking, drill problem solving, all these things are carried out as a part of their academics. You are going to get financial security ultimately, because definitely you are going to get opportunity to work with great industries collaboratively. You can start your own startup, you can become a great entrepreneur, you can join a business venture. In n number of options are there. So ultimately you are going to get financial security. Even you are going to get wonderful government platforms as in engineering services, Indian engineering services. Maybe you can join any other UPSC or MPSC kind of services, no doubt. But as an engineering graduate, when you join, definitely your approach and thinking and attitude will be complete professional, and you are able to solve very critical, difficult situations. You can handle and solve problems. So that is also going to get additional benefit, because your academics itself is going to club all these things as a part of your courses which you are going to learn, and because of that all these skills are going to get developed. Your leadership qualities, your teamwork, everything is going to get enhanced, and a kind of elaboration will take place as a personality as a whole when you go through the academics. Engineering is important, it is challenging and exciting, and definitely use models provided by science combined with innovative thinking to solve problems and create new designs that benefit ultimately humanity. These are the main four aspects and attributes where design, analysis, assessment and delivery we are following as a part of our academics. Ultimately, student as a product when we deliver, or a student as an outcome is going to deliver in the, or going to exhibit, or going to face the exam and going to show the excellence. So that is the delivery phase. And before that, these are the three phases: design, analysis and assessment. Student is able to design, student is able to analyze, and student will get assessed by the respective course coordinator or a subject teacher. So these are something I'm relating as our academics. We are following these 4 phases. We are following strong teaching plan. Lesson plans are there in the beginning: university calendar, institute calendar, department calendar, and through this all the activities are planned in the beginning itself. We have advanced teaching learning processes and methods, ICT based methods as a Moodle, as a FTP server, interactive platforms we are using so that students can ask, student can talk, student can interact. Simultaneously, he will be a part of some learn by doing kind of activities in the form of project based learning. The academics is carried out regularly. The class tests are conducted chapter wise घेतल्या जातात. त्यांना थेरी प्रॅक्टिकल मधून जे काही शिकायला मिळते कोर्सचे कंटेंट्स तर ते त्यांना पोहोचलेत का नाही हे त्यांना येतात का नाही हे चेक करायसाठी असाइनमेंट दिल्या जातात, ट्युटोरियल घेतल्या जातात. प्रॅक्टिकलचं कंटिन्युअस असेसमेंट केली जाते. जर्नल्स आणि लॅब मॅन्युअल मधून त्यांनी जे काही शिकलेत ते त्यांनी रीडिंग घेऊन स्वतः डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन मधून जे काही शिकलेत ते एक्झिबिट करतात. त्यांच्या रेग्युलर ओरल्स घेतल्या जातात. मिडसेम एंडसेम मधून त्यांची थेअरी आणि प्रॅक्टिकल दोन्ही कव्हर केलं जातं. सो कंटिन्युअस असेसमेंट मधनं त्यांच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी केल्या जातात. मिनी मेजर प्रोजेक्ट दिले जातात. प्रेझेंटेशन आणि ग्रुप डिस्कशन्स घेतली जातात. रेग्युलर अकॅडमिक्स मधल्या सब्जेक्ट्सवर ॲज वेल ॲज कंटेंट बियॉन्ड सिलेबस मधनं त्यांना बियॉन्ड सिलेबस पण काही प्रॅक्टिकल्स आणि काही थेरी कंटेंट्स थेरी लेक्चर्स मध्ये पण दिले जातात. Number of facilities आहेत in the form of classroom, in the form of lab, smart classroom, virtual lab. We have Wi-Fi access points. We have individually प्रत्येक सिम्युलेशन सब्जेक्ट प्रोग्रामिंग सब्जेक्ट आहे त्याच्यासाठी कम्प्युटर सेपरेटली दिला जातो. 15 to 20 च्या स्ट्रेंथनं बॅच मध्ये प्रॅक्टिकल घेतली जातात. त्यावेळेला त्यांना पर स्टुडंट लॅब मध्ये कम्प्युटर दिला जातो. कम्प्युटिंग फॅसिलिटी, कॉमन कम्प्युटिंग फॅसिलिटी पण आहे. बियॉन्ड कॉलेज अवर दे कॅन यूज दॅट इव्हन ॲडिशनली. त्यांना लॅब मध्ये सेपरेट इक्विपमेंट्स, सेपरेट ट्रेनर किट्स, प्रोटोटाइप्स. दीज आर सम ऑफ द स्नॅप्स. काही फोटोज दाखवलेत मी त्यांच्या लॅबमध्ये. कारण इंजिनिअरिंग हे सगळं डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन स्किल ओरिएंटेड आहे. अल्टिमेटली तुम्ही रिमेंबरिंग अंडरस्टँडिंग पासून चालू करून अप्लाय अनालाइज करत करत इव्हॅल्युएट करून क्रिएट करायला जाता. सो दिस इज समथिंग द अकॅडमिक गोल इज देअर. सो हे करायसाठी त्यांना स्वतःला करता आलं पाहिजे, एक्सपेरिमेंट करता आले पाहिजेत, डेव्हलप करता आलं पाहिजे. यासाठी फुल फ्लेज लॅब फॅसिलिटी आपण देतो. सो वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटच्या काही लॅबचे फोटोग्राफ्स इथे मी दाखवलेत. आपण त्यांना सगळ्या फॅसिलिटीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इनोव्हेशन सेंटर, स्मार्ट क्लासरूम, लायब्ररी देतो. लायब्ररीमध्ये बुक बँक फॅसिलिटी आहे. त्यांना मूडल सर्व्हर आणि FTP सर्व्हर, गेट ट्युटर सारखा प्लॅटफॉर्म पण देतो जिथे की त्यांच्या अकॅडमिक मधले जे सब्जेक्ट्स त्यांना गेटसाठी लागतात. गेट एक्झाम ही एंट्री लेवल एक्झाम आहे ज्याच्यामधनं तुम्ही डायरेक्ट काही गव्हर्नमेंट सेक्टर्समध्ये तुम्हाला जॉब्स मिळतात, काही गव्हर्नमेंट रिलेटेड, सेमी गव्हर्नमेंट, इव्हन काही ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्येही मिळतात, कंपनीज मध्ये. अँड ॲज वेल ॲज तुम्ही हायर स्टडीजसाठी एमटेकला ऍडमिशन घ्यायसाठी मॅन्डेटरी आहे. तर त्यासाठी थाउजंड्स ऑफ टेस्ट अवेलेबल करून दिल्यात गेट ट्युटर मध्ये. दीज आर सम ऑफ द लिंक्स. जस्ट मी एक एक्झाम्पल म्हणून शो केले ह्याच्यावरती काही फॅकल्टीजचे युट्यूब व्हिडिओजच्या लिंक्स. सगळे फॅकल्टीचे आमचे युट्यूब व्हिडिओ वेगवेगळ्या कोर्सेसचे अवेलेबल आहेत युट्यूब चॅनलवर. SIT COE चा चॅनल आहे, ॲज वेल ॲज इंडिव्हिज्युअल फॅकल्टीचे पण युट्यूब चॅनल आहेत. स्लाइड शेअरला आमचे PPTs आहेत फॅकल्टीजचे, वेअर यू कॅन गेट द मटेरियल. दीज आर द इनोव्हेशन सेंटर्स वेअर दे कॅन स्टडी. प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटचे आहेत. काही IIT बरोबर टायअप आहेत, इंडस्ट्री टायप्स सेंटर्स आहेत ऑटोडेस्कसाठी, ज्यातनं की इंटर्नशिपसाठी सुद्धा स्टडी करायला मिळालंय. सो अकॅडमिक बरोबरच त्यांना हे सगळं शिकायला मिळतं. UG फेलोशिप मधून ह्या सगळ्यावर परत काही सेशन्स पण यू विल गेट द डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन. बट सपोर्टिव्ह टू अकॅडमिक्स वी आर डुईंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स हँड इन हँड. रेग्युलर टाइम टेबल 6 दिवसाचं जे रन करतो त्यामध्येच काही स्लॉट्स हे सेपरेटली म्हणजे लॅब आणि थेरी सोडून काही लॅब ज्या अशा ऍडिशनल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज आपण ठेवलेल्या आहेत. मेंटरिंग सिस्टीम आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये तुमचे प्रॉक्टर तुम्हाला कोर्स स्पेसिफिक, लॅबोरेटरी स्पेसिफिक, प्रोफेशनल गायडन्स पण देतात. सो फीडबॅक घेतला जातो आणि त्यातनं तुम्हाला या सगळ्या गोष्टी मिळतात. लायब्ररी इन्स्टंट, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट बुक बँक स्कीम, टॉपर इन्सेंटिव्ह स्कीम. सो या सगळ्यामधनं डिजिटल लायब्ररी आहे, ऍक्सेस आहे. This is our final achievement where we have a number of rankers. Every year आमचे कॉलेजचे रँकर्स आहेत. त्या रँक ते मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंट मध्ये फर्स्ट रँक युनिव्हर्सिटी मध्ये 34 कॉलेज मधनं आलेली आहे. तिथनं सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट मध्ये पहिल्या 5 मधले रँकर आहेत. जसं की इव्हन इलेक्ट्रिकल सारख्या ब्रांच मध्ये आमचे पहिले 6 रँकर इलेक्ट्रिकलचे आहेत, युनिव्हर्सिटी टॉपर्स आहेत. 12-13 ला आमची पहिली बॅच बाहेर पडली. तेव्हापासून प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंट मधून दरवर्षी नंबर ऑफ रँकर्स, युनिव्हर्सिटी रँकर्स वी हॅव, as well as काही मेरिट स्कॉलरशिप मिळते फर्स्ट इयर, सेकंड इयर, थर्ड इयरला युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये, तीही आपल्याकडे मुलांना मिळालेली आहे. प्रोफेशनल सोसायटी अंडर मुलांना काही प्लॅटफॉर्म्स उपलब्ध करून दिले जातात, ज्याच्यामधनं ते त्यांच्या अकॅडमिक सपोर्टिव्ह काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करू शकतात. Ultimate goal is to get connected to knowledge network, to get connected to industries, and to get connected to society. So SIT COE with 100% syllabus completion, with books, with labs, full-fledged 10 to 15 labs per department आहे, जिथे तुमचे सगळे प्रॅक्टिकल्स कोर्स रिलेटेड आणि काही बियॉन्ड सिलेबस, प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटला 3, 4, 5, काही लॅब डिपार्टमेंटला 6 इनोव्हेशन सेंटर आहे, जिथे तुम्ही सगळ्या नवीन गोष्टी, नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजी शिकू शकता. आणि स्ट्रॉंग अकॅडमिक्स, एक लेक्चर प्रॅक्टिकल, त्याचा जो अटेंडन्स आहे तो कंटिन्युअस मॉनिटर केला जातो. प्रॉक्टर्स त्याच्या पालकांनाही कळवतात. जर तुम्ही अब्सेंट असाल तर तुमच्या मिड सेमिस्टर टेस्टचे मार्क पॅरेंट्स मीटिंग मधून पॅरेंट्सना कळवले जातात, एंडसेमचे मार्क कळवले जातात. त्यामुळे कंटिन्युअस फॉलोअप घेतला जातो. सो ऑल टुगेदर स्ट्रॉंग अकॅडमिक्स इज अ की, and that we are using so as to get connected to knowledge network, to get connected to industries, and to throw industry ready talented product as a wonderful engineering candidate for the industry ready candidate. So all our efforts are in that contest, and I appeal all of you to get connected to SIT COE so that you will get connected to 21st century objective in front of all technological universities and institutes, so as to get opportunity to learn. You get connected to this knowledge network at SIT COE. Thank you.